Hello friends, it's story time! Story time with Teacher Jane. This is the book we will read today, yes? The name of the book is Albert ABC. And this is Albert. Albert is a turtle. Yes. Okay, let's begin reading. Okay. Oops. Okay, so first letter of the alphabet, A. We've got big A and small a. And this is Albert. A for Albert. Yes. And here are some ants. Look, these are the ants. So many ants. This is B. Big B. This is small b. Here are some birds. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 birds. Yes, birds can fly. This is letter C, big C and little c. Here are some caterpillars. 1, 2, 3, 4 caterpillars. Okay, next letter of the alphabet, D. We've got big D and small d. D is for dinosaur. This is a dinosaur, okay? Next letter, we've got E. Big E and small e. An E word. This is earth. Repeat after me. Earth. Yes. Good. Look, everyone. We've got F. Big F and little f. F is for fish. Let's count the fish. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fish. Good. Okay. On to the next letter of the alphabet, G. Big G and little g. This is a garden. G is for garden. Do you see trees? Here are some trees. Okay, here's our friend Albert again. Yes. Albert is a hero. H is for hero. And this, my friends, is the moon. On to letter I. I is for insects. We've got big I and little I. Here's a bee. Bzz. Next up, we've got J. Big J and little j. J is for jumping. Jumping. Yes, here's a frog. Yes, frogs can jump. Okay. Next up, we have letter K. Big K and little k. K is for kite. You see the kite? Yes, and L. Big L and little l. Here's a ladybird. It is red with black spots. Yes. Okay. Next page, we've got M. Letter M. M is for millipede. And here's big N and little n. N is for newt. Here's a newt, okay? And look, we're on to letter O. Big O and little o. O is for owl. Twit twoo. It's an owl. O-W-L. Owl. And we're on to P. Big P, little p. This is a pot. Pot. P-a-t. Pot. P-a-t. Very good. And here's Q. Big Q and little q. Yes? You see the Beatles? They're in a queue. Okay. Next letter is R. R is for rock. The insects are on a rock. Now we're on to S. S is for shed. And there's Albert again. Okay, getting near the end of our book. T is for tadpoles. Tadpoles are baby frogs. So many tadpoles. And we've got U, big U, little u. And this is upside down. Oh, poor Albert, he's upside down. All right. Look, we've got letter V. Here are vegetables. You see the carrot? Yes, here's a carrot. And W, big W, little w. This is the wind. Okay, last three letters. We've got X. X is for X-ray. You see the X-ray? It's here. Y. Big Y, little y. And our Y word is yawn. This is yawn. Oh, I'm tired. Yawn. Okay, and lastly, we've got letter Z. Look at all the Z's here. Turtle is asleep. Yes, and that's us finished for today. Hope you enjoyed hearing the story. Bye-bye. See you next time.